Hello everyone. We are going to learn something about CAD design. So what is a CAD design? It's also known as computer aided design. Computer aided design is the use of computer system to aid in a creation, modification, analysis or optimization of design. CAD software allows designers to create 2D or 3D models of part and its assemblies or entire system. In a simple words, CAD softwares are used to create a design before the actual fabrication, and this helps to understand the construction of design. So CAD softwares are mostly used for 3D modeling and drafting. So here are the some of the softwares which were used for a 3D modeling are CATIA, Creo, SolidWorks, NXCAD, and Autodesk Inventor. And AutoCAD is the mostly used for drafting. CAD softwares and computer-aided design is used in various industries such as engineering, automobiles, manufacturing, construction, architecture, and aerospace. So what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about CATIA version 5 software. It is a high-end CAD software which is used in various industries such as automobile industry and aerospace industry. Also, we are going to learn about tools in a CATIA software, uh, the tools such as sketching. Also, we are going to practice some of the exercises so we can understand the better. Also, we are going to learn about part designing, assembly design, drafting, and surfacing.